You're looking at a sale of household-related equipment. It consists of a Briggs & Stratton 6.75 horsepower lawnmower, a Craftsman shop vacuum, and a Rigid 16-gallon wet dry vac. To find more information on this sale, please check out our website today. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.